Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Puneet Garg, consultant pediatrician from Mumbai.
I'm Dr. Aditi Gormawala, also a pediatrician from Mumbai.
Fever is the most common problem that we as pediatricians face in our day-to-day practice in children, and it is also a major cause of worry and anxiety among parents. But there is absolutely no need to panic.
Fever is a protective mechanism of body against infections and not a disease in itself.
In today's video, we are going to be discussing the various methods to measure the body temperature of your child when you think that he or she has fever. We will also be doing a separate video on how to manage fever at home very soon, and the link to that will be added to the description box of this video as well. Now, before we move on to the actual discussion about fever, it is important to know the normal range of the core body temperature in children, and this varies depending on the site where the temperature is taken. There are two units for measuring temperature: degrees Celsius or degrees centigrade, which is written as degrees C, and the other one is degrees Fahrenheit, which is written as degrees F. And the normal range of temperature is between 36.5 to 37.5 degrees Celsius, and the same in Fahrenheit is 97.5 to 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit. We say that the child has fever when the temperature ranges above this.
So now let us look at the various options to measure temperature in children. Please do not use the back of your hand to measure temperature as it is not reliable and also the body temperature varies during the different times of the day. Always use a properly calibrated thermometer to measure temperature. Please do not use a mercury thermometer as it may cause toxicity to the child and is also an environmental pollutant. Also, the use of digital pacifier thermometers, fever strips, and smartphone thermometers should be avoided as they are not reliable. The various thermometers available in the market today are digital thermometers, which can be used in the mouth, the armpit, and the anus, the tympanic membrane thermometer, and infrared thermometer, also the forehead thermometer.
There are certain things that need to be observed before taking a child's temperature. Do not take the temperature immediately after the child has had a bath, has had hot or cold food, or after immediate physical activity, or if the baby has been tightly wrapped. In such cases, wait for 10 to 15 minutes and let the child rest in normal room temperature and then measure the body temperature of the child. Also, it is imperative to always measure temperature under supervision because the child may cause injury to himself if he is left unattended. So now coming to the digital thermometer, which looks something like this. The digital thermometer can be used to measure temperature in the mouth, in the rectum, that is between the buttocks, and in the armpit. Of these, the most accurate site is the rectum, and it is the most accurate measure of the core body temperature, followed by the mouth, and the least accurate site is the armpit, but it is practically the most convenient. So for measuring the rectal temperature, place the child in the position as depicted in the photos above. Clean your thermometer and apply a lubricant like Vaseline or petroleum jelly to the tip. Insert the thermometer half to 1 inch inside the rectum. Please do not force the thermometer inside and stop when you feel resistance. Wait for the thermometer to beep and take the reading. Clean the thermometer and place it back in its case. Please make sure that you do not use the same thermometer for measuring both the temperature in the mouth as well as in the rectum.
For oral temperature, ask the child to keep the thermometer under the tongue and to purse the lip tightly around the thermometer. Ask the child not to bite on the thermometer. Before taking the temperature, make sure that the child does not have any candy or chewing gum into the mouth.
Obviously, such a procedure requires a certain level of cooperation from the child. So it's practically useful only in children above 5 years of age. Then coming to how to measure the armpit temperature, please remove the child's clothes and place the thermometer in the armpit. Make sure that it is in contact with the skin and not just with the clothing. Press the arm against the chest, turn the thermometer on and wait for the beep. Once the thermometer beeps, measure the reading and place the thermometer back in its case after cleaning it.
This method is the least accurate but the most convenient method to use. It can be used in all ages. In addition, there are also tympanic membrane thermometers available which measures the temperature in the ear.
Another type of thermometer which is used nowadays, which is quite reliable, is the infrared thermometer, and this is used to measure temperature over the forehead most commonly and even behind the ear. These are also known as the gun thermometer or the forehead thermometer in common terms. Please read the instructions carefully and make sure whether it is to be kept in contact with the skin or it is a contactless one. Also ensure that there are no hair, no sweat and no makeup on the skin when you measure the temperature.
Lastly, let's see how to clean the thermometer. Clean the tip of the thermometer under running water. Wipe it with alcohol wipes or sanitizer. Then rinse the thermometer again to wipe off the alcohol. Clean the thermometer with a soft dry cloth. Then place the thermometer back into the case.
So that's it for this video. I hope you have found this information useful. Please do follow us, like, share and subscribe, as we are going to be uploading a lot more videos pertaining to children's health. So see you in the next video. Cheers.